The Dewalt 190681 backpack sprayer kit offers a cordless design powered by a lithium-ion battery, ensuring efficiency and ease of use without the need for manual pumping. Its innovative Variflo technology allows users to adjust the flow rate, providing versatility for different tasks and applications with consistent spraying results. The sprayer comes equipped with a deluxe harness featuring wide, padded shoulder straps and an adjustable hip harness, enhancing comfort and weight distribution during extended use. Multiple nozzle tips are included, allowing for diverse application rates and patterns, which can be conveniently stored on the built-in nozzle clip. The heavy-duty nylon-reinforced hose is designed to prevent kinking, combined with a strain relief system, ensuring smooth operation throughout its use. Chemically resistant Viton seals throughout the unit ensure durability and reliability, even when used with harsh chemicals, making it ideal for various outdoor tasks.